Hello students, how are you? Good evening everybody. Hello guys. Okay, up to yet we already started integration. First of all, definition of integration, then standard formulas of integration. It may be algebraic, trigonometry or inverse trigonometry. Then rules of integration and simple question depending upon rules we already taken. Then integration is the reverse process of derivative, or it is called as antiderivative is nothing but integration, or permittive is nothing but integration. These are the different words of the integration. I am taking some question. Integration is nothing but antiderivative. For clear understanding, I have already given two examples depending upon that. As well as I have already started methods of integration, and the first method is integration by rational function. How to identify integration of rational function? If degree of numerator is greater than equal to degree of denominator, then use actual division method. And if degree of numerator is the same as degree of denominator, as well as coefficient of highest term, numerator as well as denominator are equal, that is nothing but degree and coefficient of numerator as well as denominators are equal, then use adjustment method. We already completed this. Then today we will understood integration by trigonometric function. This is the second method for integration. Trigonometric function means you have learned at 11th standard level trigonometry, definition, ratio, relation, identity, values of trigonometry ratio, compound angle, multiple angle, it may be double, triple, half angles, then allied angles, as well as sum or difference, product formulas. All trigonometric formulas are learned in 11th standard level. All these formulas are useful here. Okay, we will take some example depending upon this. Evaluate integration of sin square x dx. Evaluate integration of sin square x dx. Okay, how to take integration of this? Here only trigonometric method is useful for this type of questions. Everybody know, we know cos 2a equal to multiple angles. Remember the multiple angles, double angles. Cos 2a equal to, first formula is cos square a minus sin square. Second formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Third formula is cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. And fourth formula, cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. These are the four formulas. But remember, these two formulas are important, because after transforming this term in this side, left hand side, you will get negative term, you will get positive term. 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus, and transfer this term on that side, you will get cos 2a. Means remember, 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 times sin square a. Isn't it? Remember this formula carefully. Otherwise, again you can simplify, because I want only sin square x, that's why transfer this 2, multiply 2 on other side, you will get sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Similarly, here also transfer this minus 1 in this side, left hand side, you will get 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a, and transfer this 2 in this side, you will get 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2 equal to cos square a. Cos square a means cos square a you can express 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2, and sin square a you can replace 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Means in sin square negative sign is there, in cos square positive sign is there, other terms are equal. Use this formula here. Therefore our integration I equal to integration of, replace sin square means 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Here I am using variable x, and in formula I am given variable a, angle a. Okay, means sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Okay. Take this constant term 2, you can take outside the integration, and in bracket integration of 1 minus cos 2x dx, 1 minus cos 2x dx. Separate this integration and simplify. Once you get integration of cos square x, this formula is useful, but in sin square x 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2 is useful. Okay. Separate these two terms. You will get 1/2 into bracket integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos 2x dx, which is equal to 1/2 into bracket integration of 1 dx means x minus, what is integration of cos 2x dx? What is integration of cos 2x dx? Okay, you can remember your standard formula, integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Therefore, integration of cos 2x dx, here angle is x, but here angle is 2x, which is equal to sin 2x, and take derivative of this angle 2x, derivative is 2 divided by 2 plus c. In derivative multiply composite function or chain rule, but in integration take derivative and divide. Okay, similarly here sin 2x divided by 2 plus some constant of integration c. Then open this bracket, you will get x by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 4 plus c is the final answer of integration of sin square x. You can again understand sin square x, we can't easily find integration. We can't easily find integration. That's why I use trigonometric formula. Multiple angle formula, but transformation is there. Simplified formula is there. Sin square a means 1 minus cos 2a. Similarly, apply here 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. In denominator, constant term 2, you can take outside the integration, separate the terms, separate integration, and use standard formulas and take the integration. Okay, this is another question. Then another question is like this. Evaluate integration of tan x plus cot x bracket square dx. First of you can consider I equal to given integration and expand this bracket. You know expansion a plus b bracket square of the first term tan square x, take the product 2 times tan x cot x plus cot square x dx. I am expanding this bracket by using formula a plus b bracket square. You already know a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then separate the integrations, which is equal to integration of tan square x dx plus integration of 2 dx. Why I have written only 2? Because cot is nothing but 1 upon tan. 2 tan x into 1 upon tan x dx plus integration of cot square x dx. Cancel this tan. You know the relation between trigonometric function cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Okay. Then you can't find integration of tan square x directly. Use fundamental identity. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. What is value of tan square theta? Transfer this 1 on that side. You will get tan square x is nothing but sec square x minus 1 into dx plus here constant term you can take outside the integration 1 dx or write down only dx plus integration of. You can't find easily integration of part square x, but use fundamental identity 1 plus part square theta equal to cosec square theta. Transfer this 1 on that side. Cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta, but here whenever x, cosec square x minus 1 into dx. Again separate. You will get integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx plus 2 times integration of dx plus integration of cosec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Okay. Then you can remember standard formulas of integration, trigonometric formulas of integration. Okay. What is integration of sec square x dx? Integration of sec square x dx is nothing but tan x. Only tan x minus. What is integration of 1 dx? X plus 2 as it is. What is integration of dx? X plus what is integration of cosec square x dx? Cosec square x dx minus cot x plus c minus cot x. This is the standard formula. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. Therefore, integration of cosec square x dx minus cot x minus integration of dx means x. Here plus 2x minus x gets cancelled. Only remaining your final answer is tan x minus cot x plus some constant of integration c. Here also you can get constant of integration c. And this is the final answer. Got it? Everybody? Okay. Again, understand one more time. First of all, expand this bracket. Tan and cot. Tan theta is nothing but 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Cancel this, only constant term is remaining. Then use fundamental identity. Tan square you can replace sec square minus 1. Cot square you can replace cosec square minus 1. Separately, take integration by using standard formulas, you will get the answer. Got it, everybody? Okay. The next question is like this. Integration of cos x degree dx. Cos x degree dx. Try to understand, student. In calculus means it may be function, limit, derivative or integration also. Degree x raised to this degree, x degree you can't find limit, as well as in x degree you can't find derivative also. In x degree we can't find integration also. That's why first of all convert x degree into radians. How to convert degree into radians? By multiplying pi by 180. X degree is nothing but x into pi divided by 180 radians. Pi divided by 180 radians. Okay. Therefore, our question I equal to integration of cos of pi x divided by 180. Means in calculus angle must be in radians, not considered in degree. That is important. Okay. What is the integration of this part? Integration of cos of something is nothing but sine of something, means sine pi x by 180 divided by derivative of this quantity, bracketed quantity, pi by 180 plus some constant of integration. You know, divide by divide, reverse and multiply. Therefore, final answer is 180 divided by pi into sine of pi x by 180 into dx plus some constant of integrations. This is the answer for integration of cos x degree dx. We concentrate formulas of derivative and integration. Formulas of derivative and integration are important. Integration of cos x dx, sin x. Derivative of sin x, cos x. Therefore, integration of cos x, sin x plus c. Isn't it? Okay. Then take one more question again. Integration of evaluate integration of 1 divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay, first of all, observe the question carefully. Let I means integration is equal to 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Tell me, what is value of 1 in trigonometry? Value of 1 in trigonometry is nothing but, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. Therefore, I is equal to integration of sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Replace 1 by fundamental identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Here denominator is equal, that's why it is only one time. You can separate the denominator, you will get sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x and dx. In first part this sin square gets cancelled and in second part cos square gets cancelled. Then next step I have written here integration of 1 upon cos square x dx plus sin square gets cancelled and what about here 1 upon sin square x dx. Then remember the student, what is the relation between trigonometric ratio? 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Therefore 1 upon cos square theta means integration of sec square x dx. Similarly 1 upon sin square x means cosec square x dx. And again take the standard formulas. By using standard formulas, integration of sec square x dx is nothing but tan x and what over here minus cot x plus c. Minus cot x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dx is nothing but minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec square x dx is nothing but tan x plus c. Everybody must remember standard formulas of integration. It may be algebraic, trigonometry or inverse trigonometry also. Okay. Then take one more question again for practice. The question is like this. Evaluate integration of tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Here angle of tan inverse is this quantity. Okay. In this case you can solve it. First of all, let I equal to given question and use 1 minus cos x is equal to minus sign means 1 minus cos x is equal to minus sign 2 times sin square half of this angle x by 2. Half of this angle. Okay, in my first question, today's first question, how to write cos square x 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Here double angle, you can add half of that is single angle. Similarly, here single angle, you can take half. And one more formula, 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 times cos square x by 2. Remember these two formulas. Half angle formulas are there. Half angle formulas. Use these two half angle. This is double angle formula. And these are the half angle formulas. Okay. Means whatever integration of tan inverse of under root 1 minus cos x means 2 times sin square x by 2. And what about denominator 1 plus cos x means 2 times cos square x by 2 into dx. Cancel these two and which is equal to integration of tan inverse of in bracket under root of sin square divided by cos square means tan square x by 2 into dx. As square root gets cancelled, that's why I is equal to integration of tan inverse of tan x by 2 into dx, because square and square root gets cancelled. And you know tan inverse of tan automatically cancel, you will get xy to dx. Then take constant term 1/2 outside the integration of x dx, and use standard formula x raised to 2 divided by 2 plus c, because index is 1, means final answer is x square by 4 plus c. This is the final answer for this question. Got it? Everybody? Okay. Then again we will take one more question for better understanding. And the question is like this: evaluate integration of cos 8x into cos 2x dx. Cos 8x into cos 2x dx. Okay. First of all, let I equal to given question cos 8x cos 2x dx. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Take some adjustment, because after that adjustment easily you can apply the standard formulas. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Cos 8x into cos 2x dx. And remember students, what is this? Integrand quantity. Use 2 cosec cos b is nothing but what? Express this quantity in terms of sum or difference. Express this quantity in terms of sum or difference. 2 cosec cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Sum or difference formulas you have learned in 11th standard level. Remember all these formulas. Third formula for sum or difference: 2 cosec cos b is nothing but cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Therefore, 1/2 into bracket integration 2 cosec cos b. A means 8x, b means 2x. Apply here. You will get cos 8x plus 2x plus cos 8x minus 2x into dx. Simplify. You will get 1/2 into bracket integration of cos 10x dx plus integration of cos 6x dx. Then take integration. I is equal to 1/2 as it is. What is integration of cos 10x dx? Be concentrated. Angle is 10x, not only x. Cos 10x dx means sin 10x divided by 10. Similarly, what about here? Sin 6x divided by 6 plus some constant of integration c. Try to understand. Here angle is not only x. What is integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is nothing but sin x. But here integration of cos 10x means sin 10x and divide derivative of this quantity. Derivative is 10, divide that quantity. Means your final answer I equal to sin 10x divided by 20 plus sin 6x divided by 12 plus some constant of integration c. Got it? Everybody? Okay, this is the integration by trigonometric function. This is second method of integration. Okay, I am given some questions for homework. You can try, and suppose if you have any doubt, you can ask me at the time of online lecture. First of all, observe all these recorded lectures carefully and solve this homework question. Homework is like this. Evaluate number 1. Integration of cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. It is one of the important and simple question. Similar question and just solve integration of 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x. Here cos 2x. There are 4 formulas for cos 2x. Apply first formula and simplify. Second question, integration of dx divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Third, integration of dx divided by 1 plus cos 2x. You know 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x means 2 cos square x. One more question, integration of root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. 1 plus sin 2x dx. I have given hint. 1 is nothing but sin square x plus cos square x. And what about sin 2x? Apply double angle formula, 2 sin x cos x. Observe the under root quantity. This is the expansion of one of the bracket. Square and square root gets cancelled and easily we will get the integration. Okay. Then one more question is integration of cosec square x degree dx. Solve this 5 question. And suppose if you have any doubt, you can ask me at the time of online lecture. Okay. It is enough today. We'll stop here.